Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Pixology. In this short video, I am going to tell you how to make national flag as shown on the screen. So with a very simple technique, or I would say a very simple tool which is called virtual segment delete tool, you can make this within less than a 2 minute. So let's begin with, let me go to page number 2 which is completely empty right now. So I'm going to use a 2-point line to make a straight pole using control key. Now with the help of freehand tool I'm going to make that wavy flag, right? So now I'll make this front part of it, and then I will select this stroke from the top, and I'll make a, with the help of my right click I'm going to put it down like this. And now I'll use copy here. I'll not move, I'll use copy. Now I'll create a copy over here. The same thing I can repeat using control R. Now whatever I've done in my last command, I can repeat that thing. Can you see? So I've repeated it twice. Now you can see there are a couple of extra lines coming over here, right? So these lines can be easily removed with the help of virtual segment delete. What it does, any line which is intersecting, you can easily eliminate that part. So it is there in the crop tool. Inside the crop you will find virtual segment delete. Now whatever is coming extra or whatever is intersecting, you can simple remove that part. I can select both the part on single go, and now as you can see very easily I'm able to achieve this part, right? Virtually it is a closed shape, but actually in real it is open shape. So with the help of my smart fill I can easily apply color to it. Now the half of my part is done. I can easily apply color on this. Now the chakra part is pending. For chakra I can use my ellipse. I'll make a perfect circle, and then using my 2-point line I will make one line over here, right? So if the line is coming extra like this, for example, what I can do is I can simply use my transform, and I will apply. In chakra we have 24 lines, right? So 2 lines are already here, one and the second one. I need remaining 22. So I'll consider this one line. One is making 2 chakra lines. So I need 11 more lines, and to complete the loop I need to apply a calculation. So for that what I need to do is to complete the loop 360 divide by 12, because one line is representing one single line over here is representing 2 lines in the chakra. So 360 divided by 12 is equal to 30. So the angle between the line will be 30 over here. Now when I apply over here, it will complete the lines of the chakra. So I have to make sure that it should make rotation from which point. So I want it from the center. I'll just define this point center, and when I click on apply you will see I get the chakra over here. Now the line which is coming out of this circle I can easily remove it with the help of my virtual segment delete tool. Now I can simple select, make a group of it, apply color to it. If I need to increase the thickness of the lines I can do it from here, right? And now because it is a grouped I can easily resize this as per my Indian flag. Okay, I think the thickness is going little high over here, so I'll make it 1.5, right? Now this line I am going to increase the thickness of this. I'll make it around 16 or maybe more than that. 24 will be fine. And now put it slightly over here, and to make this top part round I can simple double click over here, and from here I can make the line cap round. Now can you see, less than 2 minutes I'm able to achieve the shape which is shown over here. Otherwise, if you'll go with any other method, it is going to take some time. I hope you have learned something new over here. Thank you so much for watching.